It's been a couple of months since OpenClaw had released the autonomous personal AI agent that can practically do anything locally on your device. But what if I was to tell you that there is now an easier way to run agents like this without needing to worry about infrastructure, model deployments, or configuring a bunch of APIs? And it doesn't just run OpenClaw, it actually gives you a full AI workspace where agents can build apps, automate workflows, browse the web, and even interact with your local desktop environment. This is the tool that's called MiniMax Agent from MiniMax, which is also today's video sponsor. And inside it, there's something that's called MaxClaw, which basically gives you a one-click access to OpenClaw's ecosystem, along with a bunch of pre-built experts and automation tools. In essence, the MiniMax agent is the environment, and MaxClaw is the autonomous AI worker that is running inside that environment. For example, take a look at MiniMax Agent running locally. After feeding the agent an AI research paper, you'll see within this demo that it is asked to create a presentation. And I honestly expected something pretty basic, but the output was actually surprisingly usable. It also had good structure, relevant visuals, as well as a clean export. And this is just one of many things that you can do, from automating everyday tasks to generating spreadsheets, reports, or even building full stack applications. The possibilities are pretty much endless. So, within this video, we're going to be exploring how you can take a look at leveraging MiniMax's agent, what MaxClaw actually does, and why this might be one of the easiest ways and best alternatives to OpenClaw to get started in running your fully autonomous AI workflow. If you want the best AI tools, workflows, and drops before everyone else, join my free newsletter with the link in the description below, which is completely free. To get started, head over to the MiniMax Agent website, which I'll leave a link to in the description below, and create an account completely for free. You can either access it on the web, or you also have the ability to download MiniMax locally. This is where you can easily have it installed for whatever operating system you have, and this way you can even have it installed on iOS or even Android, which is quite remarkable. There's also a coding plan which would allow you to get higher usage with the Minimax model. And I personally believe this is a steal for the amount of usage that you get with this state of the art model. Once you have logged in or created an account with Minimax Agent, this is your main workspace. And instead of thinking of this like a simple chatbot, you have a lot of different elements to your AI workspace where agents can practically execute any task for you. If it's office related, it is able to do an in depth analysis based off the knowledge or context that you give it. It can even create various sorts of PDFs, documents, as well as PowerPoints. You can even code out various sorts of applications. If I'm to go back to home, click on coding, you have the ability to create even landing pages. And these landing pages are quite detailed and beautiful, something that would probably take a regular developer multiple hours or even days to generate. Just take a look at the quality with these generations. You can schedule tasks, create websites, do deep analysis on various topics, as well as use these different skills. These are experts that will enhance your Minimax agent to perform better generations in different domains. You can even create your own based off your own tailored preference. And remember, your agent is powered by the MiniMax M2.5, which is something that scores an 80% on the Sway Bench verified test. It runs at 100 tokens per second, and it's significantly cheaper than many comparable models. To showcase it in action, we're using the landing page builder, the specific coding expert with the MiniMax agent to build out a pretty great looking landing page. And you can see that it is reasoning and deploying multiple agents to build this out. So it looks like it has finished generating our landing page that we had described it to create, which will also let you download the code. But just take a look at the quality of output. This is where the MiniMax M2.5 was able to build out this beautiful landing page with different accents and different components that makes this landing page live and something that doesn't look AI like at all. There's so many things that you can do with this, which is why I would highly recommend that you try out the MiniMax agent. That same MiniMax agent could be deployed locally to do a lot of different things that can access your files locally, automate browser tasks for you, or even batch workflows. And you know what I like about MiniMax is that it is supported widely across Windows as well, because a lot of these OpenClaw alternatives are different tools that are only available for macOS operating systems, which is definitely a hindrance. For example, at 10 a.m. deliver a concise briefing on the most important tech and sciences from the last 24 hours. And just like that, I was able to create the skill, which will actually schedule at 10 a.m. every day. And this is where it's going to provide me that concise summary of the news briefing. I just ran it to test it out, and it was able to provide me the top major stories. And you can see that it gives me a rundown with the sources. And this way, it is going to keep me up to date with whatever is happening in the world. Not just that, on my desktop, I have so many different thumbnails with large title names. And this is where I can simply just click on file organization, and I can tell my MiniMax agent that's deployed locally to organize the images into a new folder called thumbnails, and then also have it so that it renames all of the individual files in numerical format. And just like that, it was able to automate it quite rapidly. This is a simple task that would probably take me a couple of minutes, done in a matter of couple of seconds, which is the beauty of this agent. And what I really like about the MiniMax agent deployed locally is that it has the capability to do various tasks at the same time. For example, you can have one task work upon creating a PowerPoint, and another task have it so that it is able to scour the web for a specific job, which would probably take lots of hours in terms of getting you and finding you that specific job. You can see right now that one agent is using the browser sub agent to work on the browser automation task of finding different jobs, and then the other one is coding out and building your PowerPoint. So it looks like the browser task has been completed, where it has found three product designer positions in New York with our specific salary type as well as what we're looking for. And it has found the company as well as displayed it within a spreadsheet itself that it was able to create. And if we take a look at the second task that's being ran, this is where it is slowly but surely creating our slide deck that talks about the Middle Ages. Now, we had taken a look at the MiniMax agent, but let me showcase something where things get quite interesting. You have a one-click setup for OpenClaw. If you click on Deploy Now, this is where you can create your own 24/7 personal assistant with MaxClaw that's powered by the MiniMax M2.5. And this is something that is a game changer because you have it so that you can make it as your own, where you can shape its personality so that it remembers every conversation and preference. You can always have it on where there's zero downtime, where it's live in 10 seconds and it's running 24/7 in the cloud. And right wherever you need it, it's accessible within your daily apps with expanding support for more. You can then click Start Now, and this is where you can select a configuration for your agent, meaning that you can select an expert, which is a sort of skill or a domain of expertise your agent can specify in. This is something where you can either choose the default one if you're looking for an all-rounded agent, but say if you want to create something like a multi-agent trading MaxClaw agent, this is where it'll specify in becoming a multi-agent AI trading framework that mirrors real-world trading firms, which could be kind of interesting. So if you want to select this, you can select this specific configuration, then connect maybe your MiniMax coding plan, which would be ideal because this way you're going to be able to save a lot more on token expenditure if you're running this agent 24/7. MaxClaw is going to let you deploy OpenClaw with pre-trained experts for just $19 a month with no additional API fees. You can get 200 free credits daily for logging in, and you can obviously compare casually to alternatives and similar tools that are either more expensive. In this case, I see this as a specific steal, especially due to the performance that you get from the MiniMax agents. And if you are to use the coding plan, you're going to be able to get a lot more generations out of it. After you click I'm ready, it is going to then set up your OpenClaw instance. And this is how quick it is, guys. And I can essentially use my MaxClaw instance anywhere, where I can use it through any of the MiniMax apps, either through the cloud web app, you can use it off of your desktop, or through the phone or even Android. And what's cool is that you can even set this up directly with something like your favorite app. If it is Telegram, you can just simply tell it connect it to Telegram and then provide your specifications so that you can ideally chat from Telegram and have your Claude instance, your MaxClaw instance operate on any task via Telegram. So say for example, I want to connect Telegram. I can just send in this request to connect Telegram to my MaxClaw instance. Then what you got to do is just simply create a bot through bot father in your Telegram instance. And this is where you can search it up And then you just need to simply just paste in the slash new bot command to create a new bot. And then it is going to ask you to follow through by choosing a name, a username, and then giving the token like this. And that way you can then have your Telegram connected to this MaxClaw instance, which is going to be on standby for you 24/7, running all of the time. It has long term memory built within, as an all in one toolbox, automation experts. You can schedule everything and run your agent directly from your phone. And as you saw, it is super cheap and super easy to get started with. So it looks like my World of AI trading bot has been created. So let me just showcase this live in action. In this case, I can have it work upon being something that works upon doing technical analysis for me, like having it work on providing me technical analysis on the Nvidia stock, where I told it, is Nvidia a good buy right now? And you can see that my trading bot is going to then provide me a condensed analysis on the Nvidia stock. And just like that, we have an output saying that the short answer is yes. Make sure you don't listen to me. This is not financial trading advice, but you can see that gives you the technical analysis, talks about the MACD, it talks about the P ratio, as well as saying that the P ratio is undervalued based off of the growth. Now, obviously, this is where I'm running the bot through a desktop app, but the fact that I can just simply have my phone sending these commands to a cloud instance of a MaxClaw instance that's able to tackle these tasks for you is just incredible. Something cool I can do is have it create a report and then have it send me that PDF to the Telegram chatbot over here. And you can see within the cloud MaxClaw instance that it is creating the report and it is using all the tools needed to create the PDF of its analysis. And just like that, we have it so that it was able to comment on, and just like that, it was able to provide me the NVIDIA stock analysis through a PDF. And this is where it is condensing its findings, talking about the bull versus bear debate, talking about the P ratio, and all of the analyst findings. This is just incredible because, say, if you're on your phone, you can send in these requests and have it work upon tackling tasks like this. And this is something that would probably take an analyst multiple hours to calculate all of these ratios and findings to see if the stock is a buy or not, being done in a matter of few minutes directly from your phone, which is just incredible. Think about how many things that you can automate, schedule, or build with this simple feature. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. But that's basically it, guys, for today's video on MiniMax's agent, as well as the MaxClaw instance setup, where you can easily set up an OpenClaw-style automation workflow in less than 30 seconds. That is going to stay on for you 24/7. It's going to automate your life, and it is practically where you can deploy multiple agents to do almost anything. This is something that I would highly recommend that you take a look at with all the links in the description below. You can even get started for free, which is the most remarkable thing, to use these agents to do various things. But with that thought, guys, I'll leave all these links in the description below. Make sure you take a look at the newsletter, the second channel, the Discord, follow me on Twitter, and then also subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos so that you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.